How to receive crypto on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial, I'll be showing you the ways to receive crypto on Kraken. So in order to receive crypto on Kraken, all you have to do is make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, you have to make sure that you have already copied the wallet address of your Kraken, and you've also selected the asset that you wish to receive. So then you need to exit out of your Kraken and then open up the application from where you actually wish to transfer. Let's say that I'm going to go with Binance. And when you open up your Kraken application, now you need to go ahead and select wallet. Then you need to go to fundings, and from there go to transfer. So right on this page, you need to enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer and from where you are doing it, so, and paste in the wallet address of the Kraken. And after you're done entering that, enter in the exact amount that you wish to transfer and confirm all of that, and review all of the information that you've provided. If you're sure about it, then so that confirm the transaction, and within no time you'll be able to receive crypto on Kraken. So that's how you can receive crypto on Kraken. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.